Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. So inshallah today we're going to be moving on to the seventh lesson. So we've covered number, and in there we've covered mufrad, and we've also covered what? Muthanna. Yes? Mufrad is what? Singular, and muthanna is dual. What does dual mean? That the word itself shows what? Two. You don't have to say two books. When you say kitabani, it automatically means what? Two books. Have you understood that? Now today we're going to go on to what we call plural. What does plural mean? In English, plural means more than one. In Arabic, plural means more than two. Because for one is mufrad, for two is muthanna, and for more than two is jama'. Okay? In Arabic, what do you call a plural? Jam'un. What do you call a plural? Jam'un. Okay? What do you call a plural? Jam'un. So now we have three words for number. Mufrad, muthanna, and jama'. Say after me. Mufrad, muthanna, and jama'. Say again. Mufrad, muthanna, jama'. Mufrad, muthanna, jama'. Finish? One more time. This is one more time. Mufrad, muthanna, jama'. One more time? No, that's it. Yeah. So you got it? Mufrad, muthanna, jama'. So the plural is called jama'. Okay? Now, in Arabic, there are two types of plural. Like in English. If I ask you, if somebody who doesn't know English says, how do you make a word plural? What's the easy way to tell them? What's the easy answer? Add? No, another way? Add S. You put an S and it becomes plural. So in Arabic, if you want to make a word plural, what do? You had to add but you can't add S in Arabic, can you? You add the two types of words. So what do? So there are certain words that follow the rule. So all you have to do is add what? Like the Arabic equivalent of S. So book, books, pen, pens, pencil, pencils, and it changes. Yes? Yeah? So in Arabic, if it's a masculine word, okay? So first of all, those plurals, so we know for sure that you have plurals, yes? And there are two types of plurals. One that follows the rule, like it's very simple, you just add an S onto it. What do we call that? Al-jam'u salim. What do we call this? Salim. Salim means to be sound, peaceful, it's not irregular. So if the plural follows a fixed pattern, what do we call this? Plural, al-jam'u, and then as-salim. What do you call it? Al-jam'u salim. What do you call it? What's al-jam'u salim? That plural that follows a fixed pattern, like how the English S you add on. So you have al-jam'u, it's for any plural. But the plural that follows a rule is called what? Al-jam'u salim. What's it called? Al-jam'u salim. Okay? And they are used for both masculine words and plural words. For mudhakkar and mu'annath. What are they used for? Mudhakkar words and mu'annath words. But both have a slightly different rule. Okay? Yes? It's like, for example, in English you add S sometimes, and then sometimes you add ES. So think of it that way. Yes? So you have a jam'u salim, words that you make them plural. Yes? But then there are two rules. One is for mudhakkar and one is for mu'annath. Are you following me? Everybody understand? So let's try this. The first one is for mudhakkar. Okay, so what's the rule? You add a dhamma on the last letter. What do? You add a dhamma on the last letter. Then you add waw noon. So, for masculine words. So for example, you have muslimun. So all you have to do is muslimun, add a dhamma, add a waw noon, and it becomes what? Muslimuna. So if you have a masculine word, you want to make it plural. Now what do? Put a dhamma and add waw and noon. So muslimuna. Yes? Salihun, salihuna. Jalisun, jalisuna. Sa'imun, sa'imuna. Okay? For example here, we have sa'imun, it's a singular. You add the dhamma, then you add una. Sa'imuna. If you want to make sa'imun jewel, how to make it jewel? If you want to make it into jewel, sa'imun.
The last letter has to have a fatha.
Very good. So sa'imun, you put a fatha, and then you add?
And then you add an alif nun.
You add an alif and nun, ani, so it becomes sa'i, mani. And in the plural, it will be sa'i, muna. Mu'minun, one believer. How do you make that jewel? You add a fatha, so it becomes mi, and add ani, mu'minani. And then for plural, you add the una, so it becomes mu'minuna. Yes? It becomes what? Mu'minun. So you have mu'minun, it's singular, mufrad. Then you have the jewel, mu'minani. Then you have the jama'. Is what? Mu'minuna. Yes? Okay? Now, if you go back a bit. So it's a few words coming together here. So we have, if you go back here. So we say, what do you call a plural in Arabic? What do you call plural in Arabic? Jama'. Okay? So you have jama'. If you say jama' for the masculine, you call it jam'ul mudhakkar. Jama' of the masculine. The feminine, you call it what? Jam'ul mu'annath. What do you call it? Jam'ul mu'annath. So you have jam'ul mudhakkar and jam'ul mu'annath. But because they sound, you have to add the word salim as well. So a sound is called jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim. If it's feminine, jam'ul mu'annas as-salim. So quite a few words together. Let's go back again. So we got mufrad. What does mufrad mean? Singular. Then you have jewel. What does jewel mean? Muthanna. Then you have plural. Plural is called jama'. Yes? Then we say jama' are two types. The regular and the irregular. Let's leave the irregular for now. Let's do the regular for now, okay? For regular, it's called al-jam'us salim. What's the regular plural called? Al-jam'us salim. How many types of jam'us salim are there? Two. One for the masculine and one for the feminine. So the masculine, you call it what? Jam'ul mudhakkar. So we're saying here, jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim and jam'ul mu'annath as-salim. Okay? So if it's mudhakkar, you call it jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim. If it's mu'annath, you call it what? Jam'ul mu'annas as-salim. Correct? So jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim and jam'ul mu'annath as-salim. Do you understand? So salim means sound. If it's for masculine, you call it jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim. If it's not sound, you call it what? Jam'ul mu'annath as-salim. Make sense? Are you with me? Okay? So again, mufrad, then muthanna, jama'. Jama' has two types. What's the regular type called? Al-jam'us salim. What's regular called? Jam'us salim. What are the two types of al-jam'us salim? Jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim. Say again. Jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim and jam'ul mu'annath as-salim. Say again. Jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim, jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim and jam'ul mu'annath as-salim. Yes? So you have jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim and jam'ul mu'annath as-salim. Okay? Yes? So we discussed the first. So we know how to make jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim. To make jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim, you add what? Una. What do you have to add? Una. And to make the mu'annas, to make a feminine word plural, you have to add what? Atun. You have to add what? Atun. Okay? So to make a jam'ul mu'annas salim, you have to add what? Atun. For example, we have here Muslimatun. So what you do, you take out the ta, you remove the ta altogether, the ta marbuta. Then you add the alif and ta. So you have to remove the ta. See here, remove the ta. After removing the ta, then you add what? Alif and ta. You don't say muslimatatun. You say what? Muslimatun. You remove the ta, then add the at. Okay? For example, sa'imatun becomes sa'imatun. And mu'minatun becomes mu'minatun. Let's try this a bit more detail. Let's try from the beginning. Let's try the word صائم. Okay. Is that ism فعل حرف صائم? Is it ism فعل حرف? Ism. Why is it an ism? Has tanween. Is it ma'rifah? Is it nakira? Why is it nakira? Has tanween. Is it mudhakkar? Is it muannas? It's mudhakkar. Why is it mudhakkar? There's no ta al-marbuta. Yes? You follow me? Now, is it mufrad, muthanna, or jama'? It's mufrad. Good. It's mufrad. Because why? It's singular. Okay? Now, how do we make this jewel? How do you make this jewel? Let one person do it. How do you make this jewel? Get rid of tanween. Add a fatha. Add alif noon. It becomes what? Sa imani. How do you make this plural? So this is what? This is what? This word is now muthanna. This was what? Mufrad. This was mufrad and that was muthanna. Yes? Now. So mufrad, muthanna. How do you make this jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim? So what's the rule? Can you help him? You add, you give a. What do you have to give at the end, Muhammad? Sa'imuna. What do? You give a dhamma. So you have sa I muna. So you add sa'imun, sa'imani, and then sa'imuna. How do you make it feminine? You add a ta. So sa'imatun. The jewel of that is what? Sa'imatani. And the plural of that is sa'imatun. You got it? So say all six of them. Sa'imun, sa'imun. Make that jewel. Sa'imani. Make it jam'ul mudhakkar salim. Sa'imuna. Make it muannath mufrad. Sa'imatun. Make it muthanna muannath. Sa'imatani. And make it muannath jam'ul muannath salim. Sa'imatun. Try muslimun. You do muslimun. Muslimun. Muslimani. Muslimuna. Muslimatun. Muslimatani. Muslimatun. Try qa'imun. Qa'imun. Qa'imani. Qa'imuna. Qa'imatun. Qa'imatani. Qa'imatun. Do jalisun. Then jewel will be jalisun, then jalisani, jalisuna, jalisatun, jalisatani, and the plural will be jalisatun. Do what word have we done? Another word we've done. Let's see one from the book, an easy one. Do sadiqun, sadiqun, sadiqani, sadiquna, sadiqatun, sadiqatani, sadiqatun. Do it again. Sadiqun, sadiqani, sadiq. No, jam'ul mudhakkar salim. Sadiquna, sadiqatun, sadiqatani, and then qatun. Right, you try doing the next word here is what's another easy word? Shakirun. Try doing shakirun. Shakirun. Shakirani. Then the plural will be shakiruna. The jewel, the muannas will be shakiratun. Shakira. Shakiratani. And then shakiratun. So inshallah next lesson you'll be doing the practice in the worksheets in there anyways, okay? But everybody got the idea? Okay? So let's recap again now before we finish off. We have kalima. How many types of kalima are there? 3. What are they? Ism, fa'il, and harf. Ism is what going to be? 4 categorization. What's the first one? Indefinite or definite. And that is what? What's definite? No, definite is ma'rifa and nakira. Indefinite is nakira. Then we have masculine and feminine. Masculine is what? Mudhakkar, and feminine is muannath. Very good. Then we have singular, plural, singular, dual, because our Arabic, singular, dual, and plural. Singular is called what? Mufrad. Dual is called muthanna, and plural is called jama'. How many types of jama' are there? We've done two, regular and irregular. What do you call regular? Salim. And then it can be jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim and jam'ul mu'annath as-salim. So today was a bit more words. So just recap that, okay? Keep it in your mind, yes? Any questions? Everybody understand? So today we need a bit more effort because we learned 3 words today. 4 actually. Jam'ul salim, jam'ul mudhakkar as-salim, and jam'ul mu'annath as-salim. Okay? Yeah? Any questions? Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.